What's good, world? The ammo that I use for self-defense. Hornady Critical Defense, 9mm Luger, 115 grain. This is how the bullet look. Hollow tips, because I don't want any over penetration. The next company is Speer Gold Dot, 124 grain. And this is how the bullet look. Hollow tip as well, because I don't want any over penetration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below. Give me some feedback of what ammo y'all running y'all firearms for self-defense and what companies y'all like. Thanks for watching.